Alrighty everyone, it is the early AM. I am out on the water. We have super glass water right now. This is going to be my bread and butter for what I use to catch Lakers. So we'll find a nice setting here that I think is good. I like this one the best. So I'll use my ice fishing flasher right here, and then I'll have my sonar right here. Let's see if we can get out and get some fish. Yep. Got it. Thank you. That's awesome.
I got like 2 more batteries.
They get eaten up pretty good, don't they?
Yeah. This is the one I was using yesterday.
There you go. Oh. He came out of nowhere.
Yeah, that's what they do. You gotta be always watching the screen. That's awesome.
I kept it down there. I'm happy. Sweet. Oh, it felt nice. That's a good fish. He's gonna see my boat and take off. Oh, he's not that big. Whoa. Got him. Yes. There you go. Set him free. Oop. There you go. Nice. Thank you, man. Thank you. Got one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This one's got some size to it. He's a little bit better than the other one. Ah, thank God. We got our first fish here. Our second fish, I should say. Oh, let's go. Spit the hook out right at the net. Chill. Using a 1 ounce VTJ. A nice lake trout here. Little guy, but he'll do. So I'll set him free. Nice Laker. How many fish is that for you now? 6? Oh yeah. Oh, there's one at the bottom now. I saw him. No. Oh, this one's got weight. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, he's not. This one's bigger. He's like stuck on the bottom. He has nowhere to go. Oh yeah. Oh, this is sick. We got our first big fish here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh, come on. Yeah. Got him on the white VTJ. Okay. Is that a good angle? Sweet. You can get it right here. Sweet. Alright, I'm gonna set him free.
You got it. I got it.
Alright. Let him go.
It's huge.
Yeah, that's a big one. Yes. Let's go. getting this. Dude, I gotta keep like checking my camera to make sure it's always going on for moments like this.
I had a couple yesterday. I thought I had my camera going, like,
He's right.
going.
He's right there.
I think I've done it.
He's right under your boat. Oh my god. That's a chunker. He's got a big fish in his gut. Oh, I see it chasing you. Nice. I got him. Oh, that's crazy.
I love it.
That was so cool. I saw him chase you and then he came back down. Oh, and he feels nice too. Let the leader. Oh, he just tangles himself up. On the VTJ. Let's go. Oh, that's cool. He's like right under your boat. I see him. Oh yeah, he didn't like that. I can see him. It's pretty big. Oh my god. Whoa! It's a tank.
That's the way you do it. Boy, they keep telling you that ain't working. That's the way you do it. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Now that ain't working. That's the way you do it. Let me tell you, them guys ain't dumb. Maybe get a pistol on your little finger. Maybe get a pistol on your thumb.
Oh, let's go. You are the Lake Trout King. See a good one? Nice.
I almost gave up on that orange. Oh, it just came off.
No. Oh, I see him going down.
Yeah, I almost gave up on that orange too. Thinking, oh, just a fluke yesterday.
Is that a bigger size orange?
It is.
Nice. I'll be back. Thanks again for watching. Cheers.